Race stuff in there.
All right, anyway, people,
Off-road racing stuff.
we're down here working on this old Gambler. We gotta get the gas tank swapped out because this thing, I don't think I made any videos. I don't think I posted any of them. But the last Gambler we went to in, what was that, March down at Brushy Mountain Prison here in the eastern part of Tennessee. This thing did good for about the first, about 30-40 miles? Did it make it that far? And then, well, okay, backstory real quick. So this thing sat in the weeds for about 8 years?
Yeah.
8 years because the rear end grenaded. Daggone, that guy destroyed it. I mean, just the gears, punking, it was just destroyed. So this rear end we got right here is actually out of a early 2000 cargo van. It's a 14 bolt. It's what, the heavy half ton?
Yes.
Out of a cargo van, or maybe the cargo vans early 2000s come with that. But you can see the purchase. We had to redo the purchase and the. That's still the 6-load. And that's loud. But we had to redo the purchase and the shock mount. So
Hey, that's Craftsman right there, buddy.
because it is a 6-lug rear end, and we didn't want to have to run 2 rear ends, but we did that like about a month before the Gambler in March. So about January, we throwed that rear end in it. But you know, pull apart, what's that rear end? 220 bucks, 240 bucks to pull apart?
110.
Okay, he said 110.
110 or something like that.
Maybe it was.
Yeah, it's
Ah,
like
whatever.
75 without the hubs, and the 2 hubs on it was 110.
Yeah, okay, well anyway, there you go. Let's say under 150 bucks for that said rear end, which is now been welded. It does have a Lincoln locker in it. But anyway, so we did that, but it'd been sitting for like 8 years. And before that, you can tell, look at the body. We'll do a little walk around. This thing got wheeled quite fairly a lot. And look, he done knocked out the 2 front. So gotta get
There's my brand new headlight.
a brand new headlight. So you can tell if this thing gets wheeled, did get wheeled a lot. Well, after 8 years of sitting with who knows how much gas was in the gas tank, which we did pull the gas tank out. We had to put a new fuel pump in it. And before we went to that last Gambler. Man. Probably just making all that video with a dirty screen. But anyway, so 8 years sitting with gas in it. We tried to clean it out the best we could. Put a new fuel pump in it. And then it got to where that stuff it was stuck in there, the varnish on the sides of the tank, was breaking up and getting all over the stock of the fuel pump. So you had to stop and start losing power, bogging down. Stop, pull over, turn it off. And just shake the crap out of the truck. Just shake it back and forth to rinse the sock off, fire it up, and go another 3 or 4 or 5 miles.
And I wish we could do videos of us shaking it every 2 miles.
There's some somewhere. I might have to look them up. I don't, because Dan had some. He videoed them. He videoed some of them, sent them to me. So I don't know if I can find them. I'll put them on there. But so now we're gonna pull this tank out. He's got a brand new tank. We're gonna swap it out, and hopefully do that. And we got to do some wheel bearings too sometime. But doing a tank, that's kind of a 2-man job. So.
On this beast, it's like 31-gallon tank.
So I had to come over and give this guy a hand. So, anyway, we'll be back at it here in a minute. Alright guys, we got this bad Mama Jamma tank out of here.
I got over here one with a clamp on right here, boy. You need a real clamp on it? They're here, boy.
You got one with a clamp?
Yeah, I got one with a clamp.
Yep, we need that. Look, it's a brand new tank here. Whew. God. Yep, now I need another piece of wire too.
I think there's another one with a clamp on it.
Well,
Hold on, boy.
Got two of them. Big old skid plate, got that off there.
Look at that with a clamp on it.
Yeah, need one with a clamp. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take this clamper deal. We're gonna put this on here so we can run this pump for a second. So we got a little gas in there because it was inside this old runt. I don't know if you'll be able to see in there or not. That is probably just looks like a black hole on there. But here's some nasty. And that's just all the crap that was in the tank, all the varnish and probably some rust, and where it sat down there for 8-9 years, something like that. And give a little sneak peek on. Man, that needs to be a project. It's supposed to be. If I can ever get him to start working on it, just throw a motor in it. Do something. Put a headlight, put a motor and transmission, a couple headlights. It'll probably take off going. Yeesh. Look at this old rusty. Got the wire sticking out, yeah, somewhat.
I got my knife, boy. You don't got a knife on you, boy?
Nope, I didn't bring a knife with me. But that's good enough. You got the hose? Got some hosiery. Yeah. Don't point that thing at me. Sheesh. So what do we decide with? Gray? That's what we decided with. Let me get over here. Let me get the battery away from where the gas is going to fly through. Let me get downhill here so where all the fumes have went. Are you ready?
Yeah, shoot another bit.
Oh God.
That's good. Swoosh it around a little bit. Clean that sock off. Looks pretty good. Clean that pretty good. It's gonna do good, boy. It's gonna do good.
Oh yeah. You ready?
Yeah. I got faith in the old donkey. It's gonna be resurrected again. How many times has it been resurrected?
Oh, this might probably 4 or 5.
Probably. He just keeps on beating around, boy. So you know what happens when you about run out of gas right there. That's what happens. That's it, boy. Look at that.
Well. Alright, so we run over there. We got us some fresh new O-rings. And run over to Joe's garage. Pick us up some fresh new O-rings there. You know, we ain't got much light. Oh yeah, there we go. See them? Fresh
Is that
new.
more better?
Fresh new. That is better. So now we're about to put this bad Mama Jamma.
Get the donkey running again.
There it is. It's in there. So we're just going to test for some leaks. See if we got any leaks. Put some gasoline in it. We got no leaks. Put that cover back on there and we're good. Turn it over. Might done build up pressure. legs. All right, well, we are done with said gas tank installation. So that's it. So this big old donkey here, this needs passenger side wheel bearing, and to be back in full gambler condition. How's that?
Go ahead and pull that other side off and pack it. Make sure it's grease. Got some good old grease on it.
He said he was gonna pack it.
Pack it, boy.
Alright, well, that's it for this gas gas tank installation here, down here at the Potbelly Garage. Okay, that's it. Say bye.